Leo the inquisitive truck, curious and upbeat. In his truck bed he brings many colored parts. Leo the inquisitive truck, he has come again to help us. With his help, now we can build a brand new car. Leo, Leo, Leo the truck. Forklift Lifty is stacking up logs on the playground. Oh, it's not working. Logs slip and roll away.
Huh?
Leo knows how to help Lifty. He will build a new vehicle, a logging truck. Let's build the vehicle here. Are you ready, Leo? First, attach the cabin to the chassis. Put 3 wheels on one side and 3 on the other. Now, front lights and rear lights.
Ooh.
Radiator grill. Bumper. And on the rear side, we'll put strong metal stops. Then this vehicle can carry logs. Now we need an arm.
Ooh.
It's necessary to lift logs. Leo, let's look for it. Look, which thing is better for grabbing a log? Right, tongs like these. While Leo was building the truck, Lifty stacked logs. Hooray! It works! Logging truck, you can go. Excellent work, Leo.